In a situation that had taken place between defense forces and civilians on the 15th of March 2023, a defense vehicle belonging to the Border Security Force (BSF) bearing registration number ML05 W 4721 had almost rammed into a motorcycle belonging to one M K Marak near the civil hospital point in Shillong. It may be mentioned that Marak was riding with his wife and child when the truck headed directly towards the two-wheeler. As a result, an argument had taken place between both parties where minutes later an intervention of the Meghalaya traffic police brought the situation under control. As per formalities, the truck driver and that of the motorbike were both taken to the civil hospital Shillong for a checkup.
हथियार से मत लो। अरे तू हाथ पड़े खींच रहा यार।
नहीं क्या है तेरे पास?
अगर बच्चे को लगने से क्या करेगा? अरे भाई मैं हूँ ना। चलिए तुम हाथ देगा, तुम अपना हाथ देगा उसको। अरे
नहीं गाड़ी से
पैर देगा उसको।
अरे गाड़ी तो रुका था भैया।
तो है सिग्नल। और रुकना सबको सिग्नल। हमारे बंदे सिग्नल। उतर बे।
गाड़ी क्या कर रहा है?
लादे अपने रू उतर बे जाओ। अपनी स्पीड उतर बे। Ya, kulung nih. Daja ya kulung pada. Wah, daja ya kulung yang municip responsible nih. Ila se panai ketik cak ini je tong di kulung.